Okay. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us on today's Zoom session on personal finance. Once again, we are here. My name is Luisa Libese, and I'm honored to be one of your personal finance coach. So with me here is my colleague, Anthony Odhiambo, and our guest speaker for today is Eric Mutoro, who will be taking us through table banking. And I believe a lot of us are really interested and really want to know more about it, because I know we want to change our financial directions. With that, we are able to take a different financial route. So today, I want to welcome all of you. Welcome, Anthony. Welcome, Eric. As the virtual flow is yours, and this is Concanto.com.
Yeah,
Thank you.
That's so good. And I'm happy that we're here. I can see Derek and Luisa, thank you for bringing us on board. Our concept is coming in. I know many people are coming in. So Eric, you can take over from there so that you can teach us about table banking. I know at the end of this meeting, all of us will be able to use table banking skill to also enhance our personal finances. Anyway, thank you, Eric. Come in, yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'm Eric Mutoro, as you have called me. I work with Waylevel, and I'm happy again today to be here with you people. I'm happy to be part of this team. And today I'll start by giving the concept about table banking. This is all about the concept, because the concept is simply a group funding strategy whereby members can come together, then they have to contribute savings. After they have contributed savings, before them on the table, then they start borrowing their same amount. Then after a while, then they will bring back the money with some interest. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Then that's all about. We have two types of loan after you have saved the money. They have to borrow the money. They'll have to categorize into two, whereby we have short-term loan, then we have long-term loan. A short-term loan is whereby when we meet monthly, we contribute, then we have to take the amount, then we bring back with 10% in a monthly basis. Then the concept again, we have to, the second category is long-term loan. This is whereby we break the loan. We took the money. This is whereby we take savings times 3. Then the amount we can bring it in within 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Then there is features of this table banking. This table banking is whereby is it clear?
Yeah, go on, you're clear.
Yeah. Everything is clear.
Yeah, which members of the group, the features of the table banking. I'll share with you the notes if somebody maybe has not grasped the concept, but I'll share with notes. A group is based on funding strategy, where members of a group, they can save and borrow the money immediately during the meeting times. The objective of this it can help these poor women also can contribute. Then they can borrow money to go to do some small businesses, which can help them. Then they can pay. We have many things that can help them with the amount they have to. They can take long-term, they can take short-term, mostly. Then they have to share the amount. Then they'll have to take back the money in 1 month, or it depends with the type of the loan that they have took. Thank you for putting it here. Then we have the benefits of table banking. The benefit of table banking at the end of the year, after they have took these loans, they have been sharing, they have been saving monthly, they'll have to share dividends at the end of the year. The dividends, members got it end of the year. It depends with the time there they started their table bank, but mostly at the end of the year, like January, we have to share the dividends. Then we have to allow members again, the table banking benefits again, it allows members to borrow short-term loans and repay it with 10%. That's the benefit of that table banking. Then again, it allows members to take a loan of long-term and short-term at the same time. This short-term, they bring it monthly. It can boost their businesses. It can also use to pay fees. It helps members in one way or another. Again, we have this long-term. Long-term is whereby people will pay on a long-term period. They'll pay for a long time, like 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. This money can be used to buy land, can do farming. So, and they'll have to bring it small amount, but it at the rate of 12% interest. Table banking at the same time, it goes by just it's a purely mutual trust within members. It allows members whereby other members will have to guarantee each other so that you can take your loan at the same time. Is it clear up to there?
Yeah, until there it's clear.
Okay, thank you. Then we have again on the same table banking, their benefits again, we have to access members will have to take short term, will have to take to at the same time when they are giving savings, they'll have to put their fixed account. The fixed account is categorized into two, where it's boosters, is for family, and the other one is for education. It ranges from 1,000 to 2,000. So a member can save 2,000 into a fixed account from January to August. Then at the end of the year, they'll have to bring back the amount with 10%, they'll have to get their amount with 50% interest at the same time.
Okay.
Yes. Now we have the difference between table banking and Chama or merry-go.
Mm-hmm.
We find that the merry-go-round, basically, members can save, then they give all amount to one member. Then when we go to table banking, is whereby member will contribute savings differently per person. Then they'll have to share they'll have to collect the amount in one kitty. Then they'll have to share among all of them, so that the following month they'll have to bring with some interest. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then again, we have to, we have a question here, how do you manage this table banking? Table banking, we can manage it. We meet once in a month, people make savings, then they follow other constitution that guides them accordingly. Again, we have to go to second point is that the individual frequently utilize the cash acquired, then they'll have to make it through projects. They'll have to take the loan, then they'll have to put them in their projects to support themselves in other things. Then we have challenges. Challenges, we have group members have some point, they have conflicts, others, they have taken loan, they don't bring back the amount. You have to involve other members to go to look for them. we find there is again mistrust, whereby these members, if they come together, maybe the others, they don't trust one another, but we think sometimes others trust each other. So that's some of the challenges that we undergo in our table banking. And this concept of table banking is a good thing. It can be done worldwide. Every individual can do this table banking. The founder, this concept was brought from the country called Bangladesh. People do banking. They wanted to boost the economy. Then they came up with the concept, and that is, it has helped many people. Then in Singapore, again, it is done. So it's a concept that can practice in any country across the globe. Thank you. And ask now, it's open for questions.
Okay, do we have anyone who want to ask Eric questions about how to establish a table banking? I think it's a good concept that we can do in our workplace or in our community, and it can help us to upgrade our personal finances. Any question? Derek, do you have any question? Anybody with a question? Lisa, do you have any other question?
Okay, I think maybe he can just give us some principles, like the key concepts for the table banking.
Okay, elaborate it.
Okay, some key
concept.
principles for a successful table banking group.
Okay, the key principle for successful table banking, the principal members has to contribute savings, to put savings there, in which help them to take loans through the savings. Savings is the main thing that can help members at the same time to get, yes. Then the second thing, they'll have to set rules. Rules is covered by constitution. Every group have to have some rules. They have to put their fine and charges so that to guide members accordingly. Then for you to have to join any table banking, you have to be 18 years and above. Then sound mind. Yes, I think those are the two major concepts.
Okay, so Eric.
Yes.
Like, I just want to assume, I know Derek lives in Nairobi, in Kitui, which is not far from Nairobi, right? Yeah. And Patrick Munyole, I think where you live, and then Luisa lives in Nairobi, and you see, and Concepta lives here. So now, assume they want to do table banking, and they cannot meet in person. Do you think it can work?
Yes, at some point, it depends with the members' trust. If they can trust each other, they can still do a table banking, because we have members across there. I have members from South Africa. I have members from Qatar. I have members in England currently, but they send their money, then we put them on the table. So it is possible.
Okay, in summary, I wanted you to, like when we were having a TikTok, the way you summarized everything in terms of how the members comes and how the members like bring the money together, and then one of them take the money, and then maybe when the money is brought back, it's brought with an interest, and then there is a dividend. Yeah, Can you do just that quick summary so that people will understand that table banking is different from merry-go-round?
And
Okay,
before
thank you.
before the summary, maybe you can just, I really wanted to ask this last time, and let me just ask, maybe I believe there's some challenges that you or people face in the groups, like common challenges faced by the table banking groups. There are some challenges. Hello. Hey.
Sorry, yes, sorry,
you
I'm
hear
back.
me?
Sorry. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, I was just asking some of the common challenges that people face in the table banking groups, because I believe there are also some challenges that people face.
Yes, there is some challenges if members can take
Mhm.
money at the same time. Then the following month, maybe the member he has not even, maybe he took the loan from the group.
Mhm.
Then after gone, you get that she or he has defaulted. Maybe
Mhm.
when he put the money, maybe like in a business, it has not circulated in a good manner. So you find the member have defaulted, but others decide to bring at least some interest, like the short term. They decide if they took a loan or maybe some amount, they'll bring the interest of the same amount. So after the business has stabilized, they'll bring the principal with the interest again.
Okay, and the one
Then
final.
the other thing is,
Uh-huh.
yes,
Okay,
continue.
just go ahead. Okay. You were saying something?
Yes, again, we find the other challenges is whereby there is other members who are just fond of defaulting. So
Mhm.
the good thing that with it, we always, at least we have members who guarantee each other. Then they have to put there and they'll have to make sure that. Sorry again. Sorry.
Okay.
The phone, somebody has been calling. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you have got my. Did you
Maybe you
get
can just
my
come, you can,
answer?
but the last bit of it, we did not get it so clearly.
Yeah. I have said that some of the members, the challenges that they face, their business, the others are business starters. Then they
Mhm.
can took on, they go to start a business. So after 1 month, you find that the business has not worked in a way that maybe
Mhm.
she or he has expected. Then you can find that it's hard for her to bring back the
Mhm.
amount. So those are challenges that also we face. Then again, the staff themselves, they have to go far distance to look for a group. Then through those groups, the officers might not know the homes of every member because we
Mhm.
have at a central point whereby members will have to meet at the central point. So you have to get that. Sometimes you find it's hard to access the homes of those members.
Okay. And in case someone dies and they had taken maybe a loan, how do you go about that?
So okay, thank you. A good question. We have some kitty, what you call some insurance
Mhm.
firm that
Yeah.
when every member some certain amount, like savings, like maybe any amount that she has saved, they have to contribute with some percentage of an insurance. The amount will take in an insurance company, so the loan is insured. So if the members dies, you find that the organization will have to pay the loan of that member.
Oh, perfect. I think now now you can briefly talk about it, as Anthony had
Thank
said.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
At least to summarize, the table banking has been a good thing that I encourage every individual to be in a table banking group. Table banking is just a strategy whereby people anywhere, everywhere can at least have a knowledge, then they come together like in a village, like a working place, whereby they can come together, then they have to put money together. That money, at the end of the day, they will be shared among the members according to their savings. Then the next month, they'll have to bring back the money with some interest. So we'll have to we'll have to have a small bank on the table. And you find that many people will have to boost their businesses through the loan. So we encourage people to have this what we call table banking, because at the end of the year we will have dividends. Then after again we'll have to have dividends. They'll have to share boosters, because again we always have what we call educational booster and agricultural booster. This is the money that is put in a fixed account. They save from January to August. Then at the end of the year, they'll have to receive the same amount, the principal with the interest of 50% interest. So you find that table banking is something that is so enjoyable. Then the other thing is that when you bring the money on the table, you find that the table banking, you'll have to borrow again the same amount. You'll have to borrow more amount of money. You'll have to go to use it. Then the following month, you'll have to bring it. So the table banking has been beneficiary to a lot of members that we serve outside here. Many have bought lands. Many have big businesses. Others have built good houses. Others are doing farming. So it is a good concept that it should be copied anywhere in this global. And it only needs some guidance, it needs some training. We find that it is a very good thing to majority of the members. So I encourage people to have this concept on their fingertips. It's not like a merry-go. This is what a merry-go, you find that people will have to collect money, then we'll have to give only one person on that particular day. But the table banking, we find that we contribute together as a group, then we'll have to share the same amount, then the following month we'll have to bring with some interest. So I think that's...
I think up to there, Eric, you've really expounded the aspect of merry-go-round when you compare it to table banking. And I want to believe that it's one of the aspects that we are mostly young people can bite. And you did send me some pictures of one of your member, what he does. I think members, you've seen what I was sharing. Let me try to share it again so that you get exactly what Eric meant by saying. Okay, I can do this first. Let me show you something here. Okay. Okay, this one of the, I believe you can see. Can you see my screen? You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you see that those are the women down there in the village. They were doing a table banking, and I think our time is almost going. And then I had some photos that I had also shared of one of the some of the same members who are also doing at the farm. Wait, I think I had it somewhere here. Okay. Can you people see those photos?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this as the result of table banking. So it's something that we can use it to upgrade ourselves. And I believe that we have gotten the concept that is going to help us. And because of time, I know time is going. I don't know if Luisa has something that she has planned for today. The person who is going to win it will be able to get the 5,000 to kick up their business. We'll get the result after that. Luisa, do you have anything that you wanted to share with the members today? Yeah, we were doing riddles. Wow. Do you have any riddles or anything?
Okay, thank you. Today, I don't have a riddle, but to just see how many people are really concentrating, I would like them to email me the key principles that Eric has talked about, the key principles that he has talked about today on today's topic. Then you can send an email to concanto@gmail.com. And whoever wins, you are the lucky one. You give me the key principles of table banking, of a table banking group. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good. So any person is going to give us the key principle of table banking, the one that our guest speaker today has talked about, because it's something that I want to believe that at the end of all our meetings, we're going to follow up and find out that we are also making ourselves having more knowledge about table banking, and we can empower ourselves financially. So if you have those key aspects, please share with Luisa at the email she just said, and you're going to win yourself 5,000 that is going to kick up your business from where you are. I know all of us, we have some business that we do. Anyway, thank you very much. Don't forget to buy our book. My Pocket Friend Abroad is one of the personal finance book, and it's in Amazon. Or if you can't get it in Amazon, you can buy it in Google. It's an ebook. You just go to ebook and buy. It's going to help you a lot. It will only cost you 1,000 Kenya shillings if you buy a soft copy. And if you want the hard copy, you can get it. And we find where you can get the hard copy. But soft copy is good because it will be delivered instantly to you. Remember also to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, even if you know the key principle, then you're not going to get the 5,000. And remember to follow us also at Instagram. Which Instagram? Luisa?
Concanto23, at Concanto23.
And also follow us for Climate Change Kids, for Climate Change at Instagram. And God is going to bless you. Thank you very much. And God bless all of us for coming in this meeting. Eric, God bless you. Thank you, Derek. Thank you, Patrick. And I believe next time in our other webinar, you're going to share this knowledge to others and they will all come. Anyway, thank you very much. God bless you.
God bless.
God bless you.